Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Huge thanks to Paul for sending in the footage for this one. Please do check the description below the video for a link to Paul's excellent caravanning blog. We picked the footage up on the A4118 as we passed through Nelston. From here to the site it's just under 3 miles. A straightforward one, there's very little of concern, but just do be aware of the pinch points prior to Nelston where the road narrows somewhat. Please be aware of this sharp left-hand bend as the A4118 continues. Follow this road for around 1.6 miles, passing through the village of Skirlage on the way. We're not taking this upcoming turning, but it's worth pointing it out as it's a road that takes you out to the gorgeous Rossilli. As the buildings come into view ahead, get ready to turn left. It's signposted Horton. Then within a few metres the entrance to the complex is on the right hand side. Follow the road all the way around until you reach the barrier and reception is there ahead of you. And here we are. Many thanks to Paul for providing the footage and to you too for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.